students, how are you all? I hope all are safe at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome back to the online video classes of English. In the previous classes of English, 10th class English, we have seen the B reading, that is, every success story is also a story of great failure. And we have seen about author Shokera in detail and about Tom Watson Sr.'s words. What is his word? Failure is a highway of success, and if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. So, in this video, you are going to see some more great personalities who succeeded despite of their failures. So, let us see some of the great personalities here. You are going to see about Abraham Lincoln, the former president of USA, about Lee De Forest, who invented triode tube, about Wright brothers, who invented aeroplane, about Colonel Sanders, about KFC owner, Walt Disney, a famous cartoonist, Thomas Alva Edison, who invented electric bulb, Henry Ford, who invented Ford car, and last, Socrates, a famous Greek scholar. So if you find the history, you can know all the success stories and also stories of great failures. People don't see your failure. They see only one side of the picture. They simply say, he has got lucky. He might have reached at the right place at the right time. Let me ask you one question. What is the one side of the picture? I told people will see only one side of the picture. What is the one side of the picture here? Anybody? Yes. One side of the picture here refers to about people see only your success. They will not worry about your failures. They will not see your failures. So they know only one side of the picture. So with this concept, let me share one of the greatest personality who failed in all the attempts, who has failed in the congregational legislature, who has failed in his life, who lost his sweetheart, who lost his Senate power race, who had nervous breakdown, at last finally became the president of USA at the age of 52. I think all of you got who is that person. He is none other than Abraham Lincoln. So let us see the Abraham Lincoln in detail. The picture you are looking is Abraham Lincoln, the USA president, the 16th USA president. Abraham Lincoln was born on 12th February 1809 at United States of America. He is American statesman and lawyer. He led the nation through its great moral, constitutional and political crisis in the American Civil War. He succeeded in preserving the Union. He succeeded in abolishing slavery as a president. He succeeded in bolstering the federal government. He succeeded in modernizing the US economy. So people will see only one side of the picture. All know about his success, what he has done. All this success he has done at the age of 52. So what about the before years? That is the other side of the picture. This is one side of the picture. Let us see the other side of the picture. Here you can see some of the Lincoln's famous failures. In 1832, he lost his job. 1832, he defeated for legislative. 1833, he failed in business. 1834, elected in legislative. 1835, he lost his first love, sweetheart, and Rutledge. And 1838, he had nervous breakdown because of the loss of his sweetheart. And 1838, he defeated for speaker. 1840, In 1843, he defeated for nomination for Congress. 1846, he elected again for Congress. 1848, lost renomination. 1849, he was rejected for land officer. 1854, he defeated for Senate. 1856, he defeated for nomination for Vice President. 1858, again he was defeated for Senate. And finally in 1860, he was elected as President to the United States of America. He became the 16th President of USA at the age of 52. Means until 52 age he didn't give up. He never gave up. He tried again and again and again despite of all these failures. So this is about our famous personality Abraham Lincoln. From him we should get inspired that we should try again and again and again until we reach our success. So tomorrow in the next video you are going to see some more inspiring personalities in detail. Thank you.